let's take a look at a new entry under the Mayrun family, the Wisteria Linear Switch by Zepsody Keys. This is Zepsody's second foray into the Switch game following their bluebonnets, and I have to say, these are pretty nice. As the name implies, these switches are based on the Wisteria and their iconic purple colorway. Regarding switch specs, these will run you about 45 cents a switch and have a PC top, nylon bottom, 13.6mm palm stem, 62 gram spring, and do come factory lubed. On the note of factory lubing, there's pretty good coverage on the stem, and maybe only like 2 or 3 of my springs were a little on the lighter side where I could hear some ping. The leaf does seem to be pretty heavily lubed where grease is pretty visible, but this doesn't affect the overall performance of the switch. Granted, I haven't tried anything new from Mayrun recently, like the keyfront switches. I have to say that the factory lubing has honestly come a long way. The batch I got for the most part is consistently lubed and doesn't feel grainy or unpleasant to use at all. They didn't feel over lubed out of the box and have been pretty much good to go since I opened them. Sound-wise, these are deep and pretty full sounding. I will say I enjoyed using these in the Vega, but I imagine your mileage would vary depending on your board and config. They have a deep bottom out with a slightly clackier return, but I'll play a few sound tests to kind of get you guys an idea. Overall, I dig these switches. They're a nice factory lubed long pull switch with a deep sound profile, and I imagine for those that are looking for a slightly budget friendly alternative, this isn't a bad option. You can't really go wrong with these switches. If you want to learn more, I'll leave the link in the description, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know what you think of the Wisterias down below. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.